Hey buddies, what's up? Welcome to a new video on my channel. And today we're gonna finally reassemble the TTS motor we took apart like a couple of months ago. It was a long way because we waited forever to get oversized pistons because it's second degree oversized forged pistons, 83.5mm pistons, and the block was gone for almost a month to have it remachined for the new size and stuff like that. And yeah, I'm just done. The last couple of days I was spending a lot of time on making everything fit, because the problem we had before was actually the piston had the oil squirters. So we got a new set of oil squirters in here, and actually we modified everything so everything fits and nothing is going to hit it. This is the old piston, which is already first oversized, and it was hitting right here like you remember in the old video, and this one is the new, like a more performance wise piston. Like the shoulder is a little bit smaller, especially on this side, which is less friction basically. And yeah, so we adjusted everything. We filed the rings on the right size. It's a measurement you have to do basically, and I measured it for race and track use, which is 0.018 inch for the top ring, 0.019 for the second, and 0.015 minimum for the oil. And here are some torque instructions for all the ARP bolts. Since we're using ARP main stud bolts, ARP bolts for the rods, and ARP stud kit for the cylinder heads. Alright, I would say first step first. I cleaned everything, I blowed everything really good with air. It's extremely important, especially after machining an engine and you have a lot of metal shavings and stuff like that. Make sure it's out of all the passages and all the little crevices. So use a lot of air, go in every little corner. Make sure it's all out of there, because otherwise you don't have a lot of fun with the new engine. Anyways, let's get the crankshaft in. so pistons are in, everything spins nice and easy and freely. So I set the pistons right before the OT basically to clear the valves, depending on how the valves state, because we have to set the timing later on when we put the belt on. But yeah, that gives me a little room to turn stuff on the head and then set the, basically I install the head, set the head on OT, and then I just get the engine up to OT and we're good to go. Yeah, this head gasket, especially with these bigger pistons, it lines up perfectly. Just make sure you line it up before you put it down. I put 4 of these ARP head studs in already, and now to get the head on there. Okay, so head is guided on. Now, in the next step, I'm gonna get all the other head studs in, basically. And then we get the bolts in and torque it to spec. Alright, so the head is back on, rotor assembly, everything is back together. Looks really good so far. You get already most of the timing belt components on there. I want to put the oil pump in and the flange and everything first before I put the belt back on. But yeah, basically I started in the front already to put all the new flanges and stuff like that on here. Instead of an oil cooler, we're gonna get an adapter and we drive an external oil cooler, a bigger one, which is way more efficient. But yeah, basically I have to figure out in the front a couple of sensors and brackets that need to go in first before I put the APR injectors and the big air intake on there. Here's the APR fuel pump coming. This weather flange is new, so all the flanges are basically new. Here in the back, nothing happened yet. But yeah, I'm about to install that big turbo on there and get all the oil supply and return lines and stuff like that hooked up. But yeah, so basically that's what it is. It's pretty good progress for this week. And like I said, I'm still waiting on some parts because I'm not so in a hurry to get all that together. I would like to close the block, basically. So I hope that I hope that oil pump is coming pretty soon, so I can close it up, put the timing on, and have a closed engine. Because everybody who builds engine knows that nobody likes to have an engine halfway open all the time. But yeah, that's pretty much where we are at right now. Alright, see you guys next week.